Welcome to Rongsu Fabric, your one-stop destination for all your fabric needs. Today, we're going to talk about how to classify different types of fabrics and the various products we offer. When it comes to classifying fabrics, there are several factors to consider. First, let's talk about the different uses of fabrics. At Rongsu Fabric, we offer a wide range of fabrics for various purposes, including shirts, women's fashion, homeware, bottoms, loungewear, and suits. Next, let's discuss the materials used in our fabrics. We offer fabrics made from high-quality materials such as cotton, rayon viscose, polyester, polycotton blends, poly-rayon blends, and linen. Each material has its own unique properties and is suitable for different applications. In addition to materials, the weaving techniques used in fabric production also play a crucial role in classifying fabrics. At Rongsu Fabric, we offer fabrics in various weaving techniques, including woven, yarn-dyed, solid, printing, and knitted. Each technique results in a different texture and appearance, catering to different customer preferences. At Rongsu Fabric, we take pride in offering a comprehensive range of fabrics and providing a one-stop service for fabric trend recommendation, style design, and production for our customers. Our team of experts is dedicated to staying ahead of the latest trends and ensuring that our customers have access to the best and most innovative fabrics on the market. Whether you're a fashion designer, a clothing manufacturer, or a retailer, Rongsu Fabric has the perfect fabric solution for your needs. Our extensive range of fabrics, combined with our commitment to quality and customer satisfaction, makes us the preferred choice for fabric sourcing and production. Thank you for joining us today to learn about the classification of fabrics and the diverse range of products offered by Rongsu Fabric. We look forward to serving you and meeting all your fabric needs. Stay tuned for more exciting updates and fabric trends from Rongsu Fabric. See you next time.